Hi, I am Danica Dinsmore, creator of Social Installations. Social Installation is a purposeful, collaborative, unrepeatable creative act. Creative acts exist in our lives every day, as do social installations. 3 children on a beach building a sand castle. 3 minds, 3 perspectives, 3 imaginations coming together to collaboratively build something that will only wash away. That process, that connection, that memory is what lives beyond the actual physical thing. So physical things come and go. Civilizations rise and fall. But we move forward through those connections, through those purposeful, unrepeatable, collaborative acts of creation. We're halfway through our fundraising campaign on Seed and Spark. And if you'd like to see demonstrations of possibility when multiple perspectives come together to create something new, find us and fund us and join us. You've been listening to Social Installations Creative Thinging, Season 1, The Road Trip. For more information on how to fund, go to socialinstallations.com.